and it's on my ID, Princess Portia. Okay, so remember that. Oh, I'm not gonna get you right. See, now I'm really being a YouTube girl, huh? I'm kind of like rambling. No offense, like, cause I love all my YouTube girls, but no. Hey guys, how are you? This is a very most over-anticipated video. I'm super nervous. This video is to introduce myself to the YouTube community, tell you a little bit about me and about what you can expect from my new channel that I'll be launching. My name is Princess Ford. I am a licensed hairstylist. I've been doing hair since I was probably like 8 or 9 years old. It's always been a part of my life. About 5 years ago, it kind of took off for me. So a little bit about me. I'm 26 years old, but I'll be 27 in 2 weeks. August 8th, Leo gang, baby. You know, we rule the world. So I am married to my husband, Keith. He's 27 too, and we have a 9-year-old daughter, Khalil. This is my small little family. So this August 9th will be our 7th year anniversary. Thank you, God, because that is the only way we made it through. But about me, I'm a hairstylist. I love everything hair. I make custom wig units as well. I make mine on a sewing machine, so it's extra durable, and I ship that worldwide. And I also have my own hair extension company and mink strip lash company. Get into them. Oh, and actually, so I just got back from vacation. If you guys follow me and know me personally or follow me on any of my social media, you will know that my husband has just been offered multiple jobs in San Diego, California, yes, and we accept. Well, we're still comparing a few, you know, trying to find the best deal for our family, but I am currently about to move across the country, okay? Like, baby, I'm scared. Me starting this YouTube, God's timing, man, is just right on. But what you can expect from my channel will be everything beauty. Like, I love hair, makeup, skincare. I have a skin journey for you all. It did not used to be this clear. I'm actually still doing that, but you know, outfits of the day, us traveling. I'm a very open person. I've been through a lot at a young age, and it has made me who I am. And I believe that I went through these things not for just me, but to help another young woman, especially a teenage mother, because that was me. Okay, 16 and pregnant. I was told that I wasn't going to be anything. I was told that I wouldn't graduate high school, which I did. I was told that I wouldn't make more than $30,000 a year, which, baby, I make 6 figures. I was told that I would be a baby mother. Baby, I married my child's father. You know, the list goes on, but you know, those statistics that are placed against you when you do something that's out of society's norm, I have beat so many of them, and you know, it was hard. It was a struggle. I would have never imagined being here in this place that I am today, mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. But literally, I know that, you know, God put me through it so I can help other women. I'm all about women empowerment and motivating and just encouraging that you can do anything that you put your mind to. So I really hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Is this what y'all do? Subscribe. Where I gotta drop it, I don't know. I gotta figure that out later. But I really hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Oh, my social media, you guys can follow me. My business Instagram is Everything Pretty CO, and then my website is everythingpretty.co. That's where you can book me. That's where you can purchase my virgin hair extensions. That's where you can order your custom wig unit. That's where you can purchase my lashes. That's where you can see my schedule and see my work. That is where you can do everything, honey, okay? Everything pretty. It is all there, baby. I'm really excited about this and everything that's happening right now, and I just can't wait to share and take you guys along the journey of my life. I just really hope that you love my channel and you guys subscribe below and you guys follow me, and we're gonna be best friends. Like, hey, best friend. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we're gonna talk, y'all. We're gonna have some talk. Y'all gonna have some tutorials. Y'all gonna have some looks. Y'all gonna have some stuff, honey. Get you together.